Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to move taskbar to left side in Windows 11. Right click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Personalization present at left side of the window. Scroll down and click on Taskbar. Scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. In front of Taskbar Alignment, choose Left. Now, the taskbar has moved to left side. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Kindly click the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos.